M0FXB, just a quickie on the Yaesu FT3DR. So if you need, some information and accessories and download the firmware version and USB, all that kind of stuff, just come here if you're new to Yaesu, and there's the radio. Then there's your accessory section, as you can see. Drop-in charger, AC adapter, microphone adapter. You've got the camera or the snapshot camera, speaker microphone. Now the USB cable you need is an SCU19. So if we go to files here, you'll see the driver for it. So you have to install the driver first, SCU19 driver. That cable will also allow you to connect it to your computer to run the WiresX PC system. So it's quite a handy cable, but a rip-off. So all your firmware downloads are here. The cable that comes in the box is for firmware upgrade. It's not for programming, unless I'm wrong on that. You do need the SCU19 cable, so correct me if I'm wrong. And let's have a look. So yeah, the cables you can pretty much, if you put in SCU19 into eBay, Amazon, Google, all of the main sellers I'm in the UK, you'll find a cable. So 7.3, all the best.